guys, this is just a short little instructional video for you for our logic and graphing packet that we're getting. It's our first time doing these, so I just wanted to go over, make sure everyone knows how to do it. On the first page, you see this find and fit. Actually, kind of got cut off there, didn't it? Let me zoom in. This is called a find and fit. And it's for the month of October, which we're in. And the way these work, they're kind of like crossword puzzles, except the clues are the words themselves. Like you don't have to guess what the word is there. And the way that you start these is just like any other logic puzzle. You shouldn't have to guess ever. But the way that you start these is you look and you see, okay, so these are all the 3-letter words. These are all the 4-letter words, right? You want to look for the number of letters of words where there's only one option. So like down here, there's only one word that has 10 letters. There's only one word that has 11 letters. There's only one word that has 12 letters. And those are the ones you want to start with and then build off of those. So as I'm looking at my find and fit, I look right here. This looks like a long stretch of, boxes there. So let's count. Let's see how many letters can go in those boxes there. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. So that one has 12 spaces. There's only one word that has 12 letters. That word has to go there. And when I look, oh yeah, it's jack-o'-lantern. So that's going to go in that space. I'll go ahead and put that in. What color should I use? I'll use green. Jack-o'-lantern. And then I can go ahead and cross that one out. Okay. And then I would look and see, okay, well, where's there 10 spaces? Where's there 11 spaces? Because I know those are the only options that go there. And then I build off of that, okay? So like for instance, I look at this right here. That looks like a lot of letters. Let's see how many there are there. If I count, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. We have only one word that has 10 letters in it, and it's homecoming. So I'll put that in there, homecoming. And now when I say building off of these words, what I mean by this is, off of that word homecoming, I see there's this little shoot off. I know the word starts with a C. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5. That's a 5-letter word. So I look on my 5-letter words. Okay, I've got color. That starts with a C. Candy. That starts with a C. Cider. That starts with a C. Carve. That starts with a C. Because there's 4 options, I can't put one in there yet. I'm not sure which one of those 4 is going to go in that space. So I'm going to look somewhere else. I'm going to look maybe all the way up here, coming off of this H is a little string of letters, right? So if I look H, so there's H is 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm looking at the 9-letter words. For the 9-letter words, oh, look at that. There's only 2 options, and only one of them starts with an H, Halloween. So that's going to be coming off of that. Because that's the only option available, I can go ahead and fill that one in. I know that that has to be the word that goes there. Whoops, I forgot to cross off homecoming when we put in homecoming. Okay? So you guys get the idea, hopefully. Keep going, keep building. Find that space that has 11 letters. There's only one option for that. Put that in. Find the other 9-letter word. Now that there's only one more option left that has 9 letters, you can fill that one in. It's 31, which is Halloween, October 31st, 31. Get it? Okay, so all of these words have something to do with October. But that's how this one works. Okay. On the next page of your packet, we have a Halloween pumpkin graph. So for this one, it's just the start of a shape, right? You're just plotting point by point by point, and you connect the dots as you go until it says stop. So like you start with this row here, that's why it says start, and then there's an arrow pointing down. And then you go to the next row, but then when you get to right here, stop connecting the dots. Start a new line with these points, and then you stop again. Start a new line with these points, and then you stop again, right? So that's how this works. The graph paper is on the last page of the packet. That's where you plot all of these points. When I get back after fall break, I'm going to hang up all of these graphs that you guys made. So that's it. If you have any questions, I'm sure the teacher can answer those for you. Good luck. Have fun.